Okay, here we go. You're coming up on Jeffrey. There's Jeffrey. Oh, just past Joe. We got to get a couple of shots of you guys anyway, you know. Let's get Joe going by, Jeff going by. Whoa, look at that. Here we go. I got the wide angle lens, so Jeff, I got you covered. Going up here?
We'll turn left to go down toward the bakery, then we'll turn back and come back.
Oh, okay. There's the canal. Clear on the right, clear on the left. Clear on the crosswalk.
Ryan used to be a lifeguard at that Arrowhead Park.
Huh, cool. We flipping here, or?
Oh, we'll turn around the top of the hill.
Oh, all right. See if I can get you guys coming the other way. And there goes Jeff. And here we are. Okay. We can see it.
We're back.
Oh yeah, okay. There we go. Well, I'm not sure I got it, but it's over there. Oh, there's the river. There's the Moose River. I can get it panned in here. And over on that side. Here comes another biker. This is nice.
That was the road we rode on.
Oh yeah. Oh okay. Yeah.
Then we came around Green Bridge.
Came around this way. Yeah. Huh. Pretty cool.
All set.
All set. Wow, place is getting busy. Hey guys. Look out. Watch where you're going, guys. How you doing, buddy? He didn't look very happy.
At the end of this road, you're going to make a right. Near the health center, I'm going to make a left.
Okay.
Where Rivets Marine is, you go right, I go left.
Oh, not here, all the way up, you mean? Oh, okay. All right. And does that put me back on the road to Joe's, or? Yeah, okay. That's on South Shore, or whatever it is. I got it. Going to Petrie, yeah. Up and down a few hills to get there. You guys we just met. Oh yeah, oh, it was high school. Huh. Yeah.
K through 12.
Oh, it is K through 12. Oh.
And then there's a big
That's interesting.
statue on back of home plate there for Kyle.
Oh, Kyle, yeah. How old was he when he?
24.
Oh, yeah.
To the
Wow.
day.
Wow. In a day.
Born August 7th, died February 7th.
Jeez.
He got killed right at on Joe's Road.
Oh, he did? Oh, wow.
You go, you make the first left. You make the first left going into the street,
In the Petrie, you mean?
Petrie.
Yeah.
Then you're going to go past where Patty and Earls are. Then you're going to see Fourth Lake Eldra Island access on your left.
Yeah.
There's like a
Oh.
park in there. There's like a little
Yeah,
camping area.
I-
and access-
yeah, I
access
saw the
to
sign.
Eldra Island.
Yeah.
You go in there. There's a circle thing. It's got a few flowers.
Yeah.
That's where he was killed.
Okay.
He came up off the lake and there was a tree there, and he went airborne, hit the tree.
Oh boy. Oh
And
jeez.
so yeah, he died right there on Peach.
Oh boy. Was anybody with him?
No,
No, by himself.
2 o'clock in the morning.
Nah.
Just found him the next morning. Found him the next morning on the way to school. In the
Mm.
snowmobile.
Mm.
Craig,
It is?
he was
Yeah.
just a ball of energy. And,
Yeah.
unbelievable work ethic and contributor to society. All right, you're gonna make a right.
Yeah, okay. All right, yep, I know. Yeah, hey, thanks, Jeff.
Joe's spot,
This afternoon, you mean? Oh, I'm actually supposed to go kayaking with Wendy. All right, I'll see you later, Jeff. Am I good?
Oh, yeah.
I had to wake you up.
I didn't know.
37. Road on the way to Joe's. A little different view of me riding.